I'm looking at your numbers. 5,300% growth. Is that a typo?
No, it's something that we're still digesting. First and foremost, good morning. But last year, what was very remarkable for us, I think it really represents the shift in consumer behavior, and we really were, the recipients of that change.
And you also had to change, I assume, like every other retailer, how you delivered, right? Everybody just locked down, ordering online. How much of a shock was it for your supply chains and just your inability to say, okay, stores are less important. We need UPS.
Yeah. Fortunately for us, we started as a digitally native brand. So while many coffee shops and other businesses were trying to figure out online and e-commerce, we had already been set up. So I wish that we could say that we had the foresight to predict what would have happened in 2020. But nevertheless, the fact that our business was set up online and we had those strong retail partnerships really bode well for a solid 2020 and a lot of momentum that we'll look to continue in 2021.
Yeah, and some of the best companies throughout history, Rod, as you probably know, have been started during the hardest times, during the deepest recessions. And when everybody says, don't start a company now, you're doomed, and they do it, and then all of a sudden they come out because they learned the hard lessons early on. What has been, listen, the coffee market, it's a big market. You got a lot of competition out there, big companies. How do you establish a foothold in that?
Yeah. The hugest differentiator about our brand, besides having a great product, is the social impact mission that's embedded at the core of what we do. So as I mentioned, that represents the change in consumer behavior because customers are looking to invest more in companies that stand for more than just a widget, essentially. The fact that we contribute 5% of our profits to organizations across America that support domestic at-risk youth really has resonated with consumers and others who are a little more conscious in their decisions.
Yeah, and tell us more about your Be Bold campaign.
Yeah, really excited about that. So the Be Bold campaign, it launches today. It spotlights, the purpose-driven brand that we are and like-minded individuals as we ask the question, what does being bold look like in 2021? So we're speaking with trailblazers, people who are really shaking up their respective industries, whether it be art, fashion, music, and really convening over cups of coffee to discuss.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.